Alright, okay, there is another statistical function, okay, that you can learn here is about max and min. Okay, so I will go one by one what it means by maximum function and what it means by minimum function. Okay, so Excel max function returns the largest numeric value in a range of values. Okay, so the maximum function ignores empty cells, the logical values true and false and tax values. Okay, so the purpose of this function to get the largest value. And how about the return value? They will return the largest value in the range. Okay, so how you write the syntax? Okay, you can refer to the PowerPoint slides here. Okay, so you start with an equal sign and then followed by the name of the function, that is a max. Okay, and then inside the parentheses, okay, you insert an argument. Okay, alright, so the first argument will be the number reference to numeric value or range that contains numeric values, and then starting from argument 2 and so on. Okay, there will be an optional also you enter the number reference to numeric value or range that contains numeric values. Okay, so here, alright, we go to our worksheet here. Alright, so maximum is to find the largest values, alright, in the range. Okay, so here example, we want to calculate the highest score for quiz 1. Okay, so now I want to enter it manually. Okay, you can start with an equal sign. Okay, what is the name of this the function is max. Okay, and then inside the parentheses you select from D3 until D17. Alright, and then you close the parentheses and then you press enter here. They will find the highest or the largest values in the range, means, alright, these students got the highest score. Okay, alright, so as I said earlier, okay, inside function also you can use the autofill handle, okay, to copy the formula from one cell to another cell. That means is a relative references. Okay, so from here, okay, you use autofill handle and you just drag until the final exam, so automatically, okay, every single test they will detect the highest score. Okay, alright, and then how about the second one? Okay, the second statistical functions here we have min. Okay, so Excel min function returns the smallest numeric value in a range of values, is a vice versa of maximum. Okay, the min function ignores empty cells, the logical values true and false and tax value, same as the maximum function. Okay, so the purpose, okay, if maximum to find the largest values, minimum to get the smallest value. Okay, how about the return value? They will return the smallest value in the range. Okay, how about the syntax? How you want to write the syntax? Okay, follow the PowerPoint slide here. Is an equal sign, the name of the function is min, inside the parentheses you need to state your arguments here. Okay, arguments number 1 is a number reference to numeric value or range that contains numeric values. Starting from argument number 2 is an optional, is a number reference to numeric value or range that contain numeric values. Okay, so now we go back to our worksheet here. Okay, so we already get the highest, okay, score. Okay, now we want to find the lowest score for each test. Okay, so example here, okay, we want to try to insert, okay, using, okay, we want to insert it manually, so we start with an equal sign. Okay, highest is a max, lowest is a min. Okay, inside the parentheses, okay, you select from D3 until D17, close parentheses, you press enter. So here, okay, Excel have found out, okay, 54 is the lowest score for quiz 1. Okay, same as other formulas, you can use autofill handle to get, okay, another lower score for each test. Okay, so now we have completed, okay, the lowest and the highest score for this worksheet.